Being a working mom, I have never compromised when it comes to taste for my family. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are looking for some flavored recipe that turn everyday meal into a celebration, then you are definitely at the right place. I am sharing with you some of my all-time favorite and all-time go-to recipes that everyone has loved in my family as well as in relatives. I'm starting off with one of my favorite veg biryani. I know you must be thinking, काश non-veg biryani होती तो ज़्यादा better होता. But being a pure vegetarian, I love to make such a healthy vegetarian meal that you feel like having it once you are there with me. I have taken some onion and I will saute them in a oil till the time it change its color to light brown. The vegetables that I have taken is some carrot, some beans, some mushroom, some onion, any vegetable that is of your choice. I will not cut them in small cubes. I will take a big chunk cubes of it as it tastes well in biryani. In a grinder, I have grinded my ginger garlic and made a fine puree. Taken lots of coriander as this is the main ingredient for this. In a thick curd, I have added my turmeric powder, Kashmir lal mirch, coriander powder, jeera powder and lots of coriander leaves. Along with that, I have also added some onions that I have just fried it and all the vegetable. Mix everything together and keep it aside for 5 minutes. In another vessel, I have kept some water for boiling. In that, I have added some bay leaf, cardamom seed, some lemon, some salt, some little amount of ghee and allow it to boil. In a kadai, I have added the entire vegetable that I have kept for marination and allow it to cook. Once the water on the other hand start boiling, I will add my rice. Make sure that you do not overcook it. Just parboil it. Now when the vegetables are ready, I will put one layer of vegetable below and over that I will put another layer of rice. Add little bit of kesar milk and some fried onion. And again do the same step again by putting another layer of vegetable and rice, some kesar milk and lots of onions that I have fried. Now the main part is sealing. With the help of a wheat dough, I will seal it properly and place it over a tawa. After setting it for 15 to 20 minutes, when I open the lid, you can feel the aroma of this biryani in the entire house. देखा बोला था ना बनाना बहुत आसान है बिरयानी. Why do we always look for things outside the house when it is so easy to make at home? This spinach corn sandwich is my husband's all-time favorite. No matter what kind of sandwiches do I make, but this one is his favorite always. During winter, I make this spinach sandwich a lot as in winter, spinach is in season. I have chopped some spinach, chopped some green chilies and lots of garlic and crushed it and keep it aside. In a pan, I have taken some butter and little bit of oil so that it does not get burned. Added my garlic as well as green chili. Allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Then I will add my chopped spinach and allow it to cook till the time it get reduced. Then I will be adding my corns. Once it get cooked, I would be adding my oat powder to it. Once I've added oat powder, I would be adding little bit amount of milk and allow it to cook till the time it get a good consistency along with some water. Once everything get cooked, I will be then adding my slice of cheese and then I would be adding some little bit of oregano, some little bit of chili flakes and allow it to rest after that for some time. फिर क्या था? सैंडविच बनाना है बस अब तो. ब्रेड उठाओ, स्प्रेड लगाओ. We generally love to have it in this gas stove wala toaster, sandwich toaster. But if you guys want, you can also make it in an electric sandwich toaster. My son and my husband, they both love this version of sandwich, so I make it in this. I must tell you, this is an amazing sandwich in winters. You should try. During COVID time, I always wanted to have paneer tikka or mushroom tikka. बट घर पर कभी भी ढंग से बनता ही नहीं था. I have tried a lot. YouTube channels, different recipes, different ways, different process. Hey Bhagwan, I did everything. But then finally, after doing all mixing, matching, hit and trial, I got the perfect recipe and the way I wanted, and it could be easily made at home. I have taken some hung curd. To this, I have added ginger garlic paste, some turmeric powder, lots of Kashmiri lal mirch, jeera powder, chaat masala, coriander powder, kasturi methi, one big spoon of mustard oil, and mix everything together. Once it get mixed together, I will then add salt to it, and then I will be adding one complete lemon in it. I will coat the entire batter to the paneer. I'm coating this to the paneer first because I don't want my paneer cubes to get broken. Once my paneer cubes are done almost, I will mix the entire vegetables, whether it is bell peppers, whether it is capsicum, onion, and I will keep it aside for some time. स्टिक पे लगाने का काम तो मेरे हस्बैंड का था. Before we try out to buy something for the paneer tikka, I had this grilled tawa with me. And trust me, placing this on a grilled tawa and giving it a try was one of the best thing we have ever done. It came out to be so amazing that every now and then, whenever we feel like, we enjoyed this amazing paneer tikka restaurant style at home. Do try out this recipe and let me know how did you like it. Whenever I used to go to Haldiram, two things were sure that I would have either one of it. One is pav bhaji and one is matar kulcha. The taste of matar kulcha is so yum that I often think what all ingredients or what all they add that whenever I try to make at home, I am not getting the perfect taste. But then somehow I managed to meet the chef who was working over there, and then he guided me and told me some basic steps that I wanted to try it out. फिर क्या था? This has become one of my hit recipe whether I make it at home or whether I make it once I have some guests at my place. For this, I have slightly chopped my onion, tomatoes and coriander and kept them ready. Imli pulp was the main ingredient that I was missing out on when I was making it. Once my matar gets boiled, I will add the imli pulp as per my taste requirement, and then I would be adding all the raw vegetables like tomatoes, onion and coriander to the entire batter and mix the entire matar nicely. Then slowly and gradually I would be adding my remaining imli pulp. To this I would be adding Kashmiri lal mirch, jeera powder, chaat masala, salt. Just keep one thing in mind while you are adding all your vegetable and spices, make sure that you have already heated up your matar properly. Once your matar is heated and then you have added all the vegetable and spices, then it is just need to be served. You need to garnish it with a quick lemon slice and it is all set to be enjoyed along with a kulcha. We generally prefer to have atte ka kulcha, which is easily available in the market. With the help of little bit of butter, I quickly toast it up all from both the sides and then it is ready to be served. Make sure that you are enjoying this kulcha hot as it tastes yummy when it is served hot. Do try this amazing recipe. This is one of my hit recipe, especially when the guests arrive. Every recipe of mine has its own story, its memory, and its own way for me to remember it. Similarly, this fried rice as well as stir fry is one of my favorite. During COVID times, when we cannot go out, we are stuck at home with lots of household chores, with our office work, kids' studies, and whatnot. I used to make sure that I make something yummy as and when possible to bring out a good taste for my family and they are not bored and wait for the lockdown to over. To make the stir fry, I have chopped all the vegetables. I have taken some garlic. I have taken some chopped onion, beans, bell peppers, carrot. In a pan, I have taken some oil and slowly and gradually I will be adding all the vegetables to it. Once the vegetable gets slightly cooked, I will then add my boiled par rice to it. After adding my rice, I will then add a little bit of soya sauce, vinegar, tomato ketchup as per our taste, little bit of salt and some black pepper and mix everything well. रेस्टोरेंट में देख के मुझे लगता था it is so difficult to make, but trust me, it is not at all difficult. It just take 10 minutes to assemble everything. In another pan, I have taken some oil, some garlic and some green chilies, some ginger and allow it to cook along with some bell peppers. I have also added my blanched broccoli and allow it to cook. I have taken some cubes of onion and I will cook that as well. Once everything get cooked properly, I will then add my sauces like little bit of soya sauce, vinegar, ketchup to the entire stir fry and some amount of water with some salt. Once it start getting boiled, I will then add a little bit of corn flour to it. Make a proper slurry and then add the entire corn flour to my stir fry to get a proper thickness and keep on stirring it. फिर क्या था? Once I have a good boil, it is ready to be served. See how yummy and tempting it is looking. Enjoying this amazing restaurant style recipes at home is something that I always like when we both are sitting together and we enjoy it. After marriage, when I first time went out with his entire family, at that time my mother-in-law placed the order for this lemon coriander soup. And she insisted me to have this lemon coriander soup as she knows my taste very well. And trust me, that was the first time that I ever tasted this soup and now it has become my all-time favorite. Besides tomato soup, this has become my all-time favorite and I can have this soup anytime, anywhere. To make the soup, I have taken a pan, little bit of oil, some garlic, slicely chopped some carrot, beans, onion and allow it to cook with some amount of water. I will cook it till the time the water does not get reduced and then I will have lots of coriander as coriander and lemon are the main ingredient. Switch off the gas and then I would be adding my lemon juice. Now my all-time favorite winter lemon coriander soup is ready. I have shared with you all these amazing restaurant style recipes that can be easily made at home. Do try out and let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and do share it with your friends and families. Till then, take care.